Today, I'll show you how to create a small character face in Nomad Sculpt. Even if you are a beginner, you can easily create a cute face using the painting features. Let's learn how to use the layer function to efficiently manage colors and expressions. First, we'll build the foundation of the face from a sphere. In this step, you'll master how to use face groups and masks. The workflow of starting with a rough shape and refining details can be applied to any kind of modeling. I drew the character's eyes in a painting app called Ibis Paint and saved them as a transparent PNG. Here are my environment settings. You can change the background color to your liking from here. Delete the default sphere from the Scene menu and add a new quad sphere. Open the Primitive menu, set Post Subdivision to 2, and tap Validate. Select Face Group from the right toolbar. Enable Wireframe from the bottom left menu. The group color changes every time you tap the screen. This is because Face Group is active on the left bar. You can adjust the selection size with Dot. If you make a mistake, use Patch to repaint the area. Ensure Mirror is enabled. Group the 8 squares on the front. Group the 4 squares in the center of the right side. Group the 16 squares on the bottom. Next, we'll shape the face using Mask and Gizmo. Select the Mask tool. In the Edit menu, select On Tap and tap the front group. Invert the mask. Select Gizmo and drag the blue circle to the right to flatten the face. Use the blue arrow to push it in slightly for a more natural look. Tap Clear All to remove the mask. Select the side group, invert it, and drag the red gizmo circle inward to narrow the width. Similarly, select the bottom group, invert it, and drag the green gizmo circle down to create the jawline. Tilt the red arc toward the front. Finally, use the Move tool with a small brush size to fine-tune the chin. Let's smooth the surface. Tap Subdivide once in the Multi-Resolution menu. Use a mask to pull the cheek area outward to make it plump. Invert the mask. Cap Gizmo, drag the blue circle toward the front. Clear all masks. Soften the area between the face and the cheeks as well. Let's smooth the surface. Tap Subdivide once in the Multi-Resolution menu. In the Voxel menu, set the resolution to around 190 and tap Remesh. Use the Smooth tool found in the Operation/Flask icon menu to polish the entire sculpt for a figure-like texture. Check that the coordinates are set to 0. If they are off, press the Reset button to return to the origin. Now, let's create the ears. Add a new sphere and use Mirror and Gizmo to adjust its position and thickness. Rename the objects in the Scene menu to keep things organized. Open the Paint menu, choose your favorite color, and adjust roughness and metallic to set the texture. Now we'll apply the eyes we drew earlier. Drawing parts on separate layers makes them much easier to adjust later. Select the face and open the Layer menu at the top right. Create a new layer called Eyes. Import the transparent PNG of the eyes. In the stroke settings, select Look plus Intensity mode. Tap Alpha, then tap the square on the screen. Tap Stroke Painting and import the eye image from the square menu. If the image size doesn't fit the circle, adjust it in the Alpha settings. Set the paint color to white. Drag on the face surface to place the eyes. The eye size is currently too small, so let's adjust the brush size. On the base layer, you can change the skin tone or add blush and eyeshadow to make it even cuter. Since we are using separate layers, the eye illustration will not disappear even if you change the skin color. Reset the paint settings to their defaults. Tap the base layer to apply makeup. When you see a red dot next to the layer icon, it means the base layer is successfully selected. Now let's create the mouth and nose. With the eye layer selected, you can use Hue in the Operation menu to change the eye color anytime. For more details on how to create hair, please check out my other video. Nomad Sculpt is a fantastic app that makes modeling fun for everyone. I hope this video helps you with your creative projects. Please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you for watching.